Somewhere in Korea, hidden between rice fields and winding roads, is a place that feels like it was built for your childhood dreams and your adult heart. A place where time slows down, laughter echoes, and for once, you don't have to choose between peace and play. Welcome to ZATURA Gimpo's most surprising escape. You won't believe this exists until you see it. As you walk through the doors, you're not just stepping into a cafe. You're walking into 1,500 pyeong of carefully curated chaos, a sanctuary of sound, scent, and color. The air smells like espresso and waffles, and yet arcade lights flicker in your peripheral vision. It's a paradox, and it's perfect. ETs start with the soul, the cafe. ZATURA doesn't just look good, it tastes good. Clipboard top menu picks. Hot beverage ZATURA vanilla latte. Rich, bold, with a soft vanilla twist. Chocolate bar double chocolate fudge brownie. Warm, gooey, unforgettable. Pancakes fresh fruit waffle plate. Seasonal berries, whipped cream, and a drizzle of maple gold. Strawberry milk smoothie, sweet, icy, loved by kids and grown-ups alike. Sandwich avocado shrimp sandwich. Crispy, creamy, balanced. The flavors are playful, just like the space. Sit back, sip slowly, and take in the wooden tones, the plants reaching toward the skylight, and the hum of people enjoying their moment. Don't get too comfortable, because behind that peaceful cafe lies something unexpected. A portal, an escape, a retro-futuristic arcade that pulls you in and doesn't let go. From classic racing games to LED-lit Pac-Man mazes, from claw machines the size of closets to basketball hoops that light up with every perfect shot. This zone isn't here to impress you. It's here to remind you what fun feels like. But there's one attraction that steals the show. A giant claw machine. Yes, a claw machine you can actually enter. You become the prize. It's absurd. It's hilarious. And it's one of the most unforgettable experiences in any Korean entertainment space today. Need to cool down after the adrenaline rush? Head over to the mini bowling alley, tucked away under soft, warm light. It's intimate, calm, and still competitive enough to spark a laugh or two. For those seeking privacy, ZATURA also offers themed private rooms, including poolside setups, boho lounges, and cozy Instagrammable corners made for birthdays, quiet dates, or that perfect selfie moment. But what makes ZATURA so unforgettable is not the games, or the food, or even the visuals. It's the emotion. It's the look on a father's face when he sees his daughter win a game. The shy couple sharing a waffle in silence. The solo traveler, notebook open, finding peace in the middle of playful chaos. ZATURA is not a cafe. It's a canvas, and you bring the color. Thinking of visiting? Here's what you need to know. 10 o'clock open daily from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Credit card pay at the kiosk. You'll get a wristband to access the arcade zone. Money with Wings, 10,000 Korean wons on weekdays, 13,000 Korean wons on weekends for 2 hours. Bowling is around 8,000 Korean wons extra. Round pushpin, free parking, stroller friendly, and they accept cards. And trust me, if you want to really enjoy the space, come early on a weekday. You'll feel like you have the place to yourself. In a world rushing by at 100 kilometers an hour, ZATURA asks you to pause, to play, to feel, And to remember that joy isn't something you chase. Sometimes it's just one turn off the main road. This was NomadFusion, showing you the places most people scroll past but never forget once they visit. Hit that like button, subscribe for more real stories from unreal places, and share this video with someone who needs a day of joy. Until next time, travel bold, discover more.